Back it up, back it up, back it up. Back it again with Drewell. What do you got here, Big Cakes?
I didn't even know you got it.
First official mod since she said the tint on the car was not a mod. This is tail light tint and the side marker tint.
Oh, not a mod.
Reverse tail light tint, whatever. She says this isn't a mod. What do you guys see? Let me know. All right, so I did buy this on eBay from a seller, Subject 9. Go check him out. I will leave his link in the description for you guys to check out. I will tell you about the quality once we install it. Oh, yeah. I know American Muscle and LMR sells it, and it's about 60 bucks. We went the budget way. We got it for about $20 on eBay. The only equipment you're gonna need is a hair dryer just to make the process easier, and water and soap, and obviously, of course, your tint, which she has right now. This is a before. I'm gonna try to do before and after. I think we're gonna tint that light, these lights, and these lights in the bottom, and this one. I only bought the rear kit for now because we don't want to tint the headlight. But enough of the talking, let's get into the video. Pretty cool thing he added, the 9 for his brand, Subject 9.
Before I'm gonna do it, you're gonna use any of the footage I record. Guys, we have baby cakes over here. Fixing the tail light. You see how it looks nicer?
No.
You don't see how it looks nicer?
Yeah, I'm seeing now I just fixed the top.
Yeah, now you just fix the top, and if you keep messing up, you just peel it and then do it again. But you peel it halfway.
Tint master.
I should buy shop and name it tint.
Both are tinted or not tinted?
I don't know. I like them. It took 2 hours.
2 hours. Alright guys, it's getting kind of late. We gotta go to church. We only got to do one side. It is a lot tougher than I thought it was because of the curved edges around the tail light. I've done a 15 before or 16 and it wasn't this hard. We still need to do the side marker, the reverse down there, and that third brake light. So guys, this is the second part to that video y'all were watching right now. I got late yesterday. We didn't get to finish. We had to go to church, so we were trying around with just one side tinted. But as soon as I got home, I ate, tried doing the other side, and it was pretty bad, guys. Like, it got really wrinkly and nasty, and I had to throw it away. So I'm sorry for that. You will not get a video on the tinted tail lights, but I'm gonna work on the side markers and the third brake light and everything else. So I'll show you guys the end result for that. Alright, so another thing, after messing up the third brake light, I come across this, and I don't know if you guys can see this. I ran into another problem. It fits good there, but it's on the underside. I don't know if you guys get me. This side right now, it's sticking out. That's the part that's supposed to stick to the tail light. It's a correct cut for the underside. I don't know if something happened there, but watch. See, so now when I try to put the sticky side on this side, it's not alright. This side, it's not a right cut. It's a right cut for that side, but then it doesn't fit. So I'm gonna try to contact the seller and see what he tells me about that. But yeah, this fits just on the side that doesn't stick to the light. Tail light tint out of the picture, that's gone. I messed it up, took it all apart. That was my fault. It was extremely hard. Here's the side marker one. It looks really good, really simple. Took about a minute to do that one. And the third brake light, this one was probably like a 5-6 out of 10. The reverse light, because of some cutting, the fitment wasn't so great. Y'all saw the reflecting lights back here, those deflectors. I guess they came a little messed up on those, so I'm gonna email or message the seller from eBay. And don't give me crap, guys. I know some of you be like, that's why don't buy from eBay, blah blah blah. I wanted to see, try it out. I bought stuff from eBay before, stripes and tint, came out great. Those tail lights, guys, if you're an amateur, you're gonna know what I mean when this is extremely difficult. They have that curved edge on the 18 through 19 tail lights, which makes it super hard. I got the first 3 pretty good. It took me about like 40 minutes per sequential light. When I tried doing the other one today on the second part of the video, messed up completely, got all wrinkly, took it off. Obviously I couldn't have one side tinted and one side non-tinted, but the quality of the tint is good. Don't worry, it's not flimsy or anything. What I recommend, if you want, buy this tint, take it to a professional so they can take care of that for you. I was trying to go for the tint all around look. As y'all can see, windows are tinted all around. Wanted to get those tail lights tinted. If you're gonna get those lights tinted by yourself or with a friend, I recommend you do it with other people. You got a helping hand. You're gonna know what I mean, how hard this was. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is gonna wrap it up for today, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.